The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, for more than a week, I saw videos on social media that shows some things that happened within the country that is known as Nigeria. You see me? Yeah, some things that happened within the month of October, the year 2020. You see me? And some of these videos give me the understanding that there seems to be some riots and lootings and shootings that happened within the country of Nigeria. You understand me? So I said to myself, you know what, I'm going to do some research about what's going on within Nigeria and see if we can get a better understanding, because I am seeing so many different videos and I don't understand what's really going on within Nigeria. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, I saw some reports about some things that happened within Nigeria, and I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand some of the things that have been said in reports out there about some things that happened within Nigeria. I'm going to explain to you in my words, so therefore some of the things might not be word for word as to how it had been said in reports out there, but I want you to please bear in mind that I'm just telling you to the best of my knowledge. You see what I'm saying to you? And some of the things that I'm telling you might not be exactly accurate. You see what I say to you? But I'm telling you to the best of my knowledge. You see what I'm saying to you? First things first, viewers and subscribers, while I'm telling you these things, I'm going to present pictures to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have at least a little idea what I'm talking about. You understand? So from right now in this video, I'm telling you that some of the things that I'm going to talk about and some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now, I did some research to find out what's going on within Nigeria, and I get the understanding that there was peaceful protests that happened within Nigeria, and at some point of those peaceful protests, according to what had been said in reports out there, it is said that persons who are said to be peaceful protesters had been shot by members of security forces within Nigeria. Now, I saw a report that said some things that gave me the understanding that that report is saying that at least 12 persons had been shot and killed by members of the security forces within Nigeria. You see? And according to that report, it is said that this had happened at a place that is known as Lagos. Now, just in case if I don't get the pronunciation right, I'm going to spell it. You see what I'm saying to you? Lagos. You see me? And that's within Nigeria. You understand? Now, there's other reports about incidents that happened within Nigeria, but I'm just telling you what that report says about the amount of persons who have been shot by members of the security forces. And it is said that these persons are said to be protesters. There's one part of it where really and truly, is a part where persons really and truly are talked about, because it is said that the army within Nigeria denied being involved in this whole thing, where it is said that at least 12 persons who are said to be protesters had been shot and killed by members of the security forces within Nigeria. According to reports, it is said that the army within Nigeria denied being involved in that. But anyways, so according to reports, it is said that after the whole thing, where it is said that persons had been shot by members of the security forces within Nigeria, it is said that sometime after that, lootings and riots and arson and breaking in warehouses and these things started to happen. You see what I'm saying to you? It is said that persons also had been killed. You see what I'm saying to you? And it is said that warehouses within Nigeria had been broken into, vandalized, and things that are said to be like foods had been taken from out of these warehouses. You understand me? And other things had been taken as well. As in one report I saw where it is said that mattresses had been taken. You see me? Now, according to how me I get to understand some of the things that have been said by citizens within the country of Nigeria. It seems as if citizens within the country of Nigeria is not happy with the way how the government of Nigeria is treating them according to the things that they had said. You see me? The things that they take from these warehouses that are said to be food, according to reports, it is said that citizens within Nigeria are saying that those things that are considered to be food and other things as well are said to be things that are supposed to be given to the citizens of Nigeria as a relief to the COVID-19 pandemic within Nigeria. So may I say to you? See? So let me repeat it in another way. It would seem as if these things that are at these warehouses, citizens within Nigeria are saying that these things are supposed to be given out to the population within Nigeria or the citizens within Nigeria. So may I say, but it would seem as if the citizens believe that the government of Nigeria are holding these things from them, the citizens of Nigeria. That's the understanding that I get, now viewers and subscribers. So I do some more research about the allegations about food being held back in warehouses when it should be given out to citizens within the country of Nigeria as a relief against the COVID-19 pandemic. You see me? I did some research about those allegations. You see me? And I saw where it is said that in one report. You see me? I saw a report where it is said that government officials denied the allegations of holding back foods from the citizens of Nigeria, are holding back supplies from the citizens of Nigeria. Isn't it? I get the understanding that some of these reports are saying that government officials within Nigeria are saying that they hold these things as a strategic move just in case if another big wave of the COVID-19 hits Nigeria. Now, I also saw a news article where it is said that security forces within Nigeria had been sent to places within Nigeria to bring order and to try basically to stop the looting and certain things that's happening within Nigeria. You know, and according to reports, it is said that some of these places where the lootings and certain things had happened, it is said that some of these places are somewhat calm. You see me? Yes, some of these places are somewhat calm. You see me? That's the understanding that I get, It's just bare chaos, and some of the things that have been said in some of these reports still confuses me. I'm telling you the truth. You understand? But anyways, I'm about to leave it right here, viewers and subscribers. So basically, the full understanding that I get from this whole thing is that there was peaceful protests. Persons got shot during the peaceful protests. It said that those persons were unarmed, peaceful protesters. After that, looting and so on happened within the country of Nigeria. Warehouses had been broken into. Citizens are angry at the government of Nigeria. They're saying that the government of Nigeria is holding on to supplies that they should get, right? Which is said to be COVID-19 relief supplies or supplies for COVID-19 within Nigeria. Government officials deny the allegations that they are holding on to these supplies that are supposed to be given to the population. But according to reports, it is said that government officials are saying that the supplies are being held on to as a strategic move, just in case if there's another big wave of COVID-19 to hit Nigeria. You understand? And I'm talking about COVID-19, the virus. So here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Let me know what you think about this whole thing. I just wanted to give you a little understanding about what's going on in Nigeria. I just explained to you according to how I understand it. Please bear in mind that it might not be word for word as to how it had been said in reports out there, and it might not be exactly accurate, but I'm telling you to the best of my knowledge. All right? And here's where I'm going to leave it. So until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.